This look is a bit Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing this makeup look with the infamous box of crayons. I finally got my hands on one. This is going to be a 100% honest review. This palette was not sent to me. I bought this with my own coin, and I'm not going to be biased. I love Supa, but I'm not going to be biased. This video is strictly for my subbies because you guys love all of this type of stuff. So I did some swatches, I did this look with it. So make sure you watch the entire video to see all of my, you know, thoughts and everything about it. Some things went sideways, so make sure you watch the entire video. Okay, so this is how it came packaged. It has a fragile sticker on it, and this is like the box. My box looked a little beat up. I don't know what UPS was doing, but they kind of beat up my box, even though it has a fragile sticker on here. I'm so excited. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting to get one of these. I purchased my palette last week, and I got it in like 3 or 4 days. So shipping wasn't bad for me at all. Ooh, and this tastes good, y'all. I cannot get into here. So inside, it looks like this. It says the crayon case, and my palette is in bubble wrap. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. So that's from the bubble wrap, which I'm happy because, you know, it needs to be wrapped well. Then it has another thicker piece of bubble wrap. And this is the palette. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is how the palette looks. It says box of crayons eyeshadow palette. And let's open. Okay. Oh no, guys, look. You can't see it. So 3 of my eyeshadows came damaged. I'm not too happy about that. Yeah, 3 of them damaged, but I can fix it. I do have a nice big mirror. Hey, there's me. A nice big mirror, which we love. We love the big gigantic mirror. Oh my god, y'all, it's really cracked. Can you see it? I am gonna go through each color and show you like a swatch of them, and just, you know, let you know how I think they swatch. I'm gonna start off with the color blue. The texture kind of reminds me of Makeup Forever's eyeshadows. Here is the color green. Here is the color red. Here is the color yellow. Here is the color black. That's a really good deep black. I really like the black. Here is the color brown. I almost can't see it because it's almost the same color as my skin. Here is the color orange. This is one of the broke ones. Here is the color purple. The purple is so pretty, oh my god. Here is the color pink. And it didn't swatch too good. Let me do one more try. Okay, there's pink. Here is the color tan. Here is the color magenta. Magenta is really pretty. Okay, here's the color white. Here is the color silver. Here is the color gold. Gold is really, really pretty and pigmented. Here is the color deep plum. Here is the color lime green. Okay, you guys, those are the swatches. And my first impression of the swatches, I would have to say that I did have to dig in there a little bit. Some of the colors are more pigmented than others. I would say the deeper colors and the frost colors, metallic colors, are more pigmented than some of the matte colors. So I need to figure out what type of look I'm gonna do. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to do something like match my hair or just something colorful altogether. I have no idea. So I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Perma Potion and Caffeine. It's like my favorite for prepping my eyes. We're gonna go into the color tan first. And tan is just gonna be like my transition color. I'm gonna mix yellow and red and kind of make like a nice orange color, because a matte orange is in the palette. So I really like how that's looking. Next, I'm gonna go into the red and the pink and mix them and get like a nice matte hot pink. Yeah, so when you mix the red and the regular pink, it gives you like a fuchsia pink, which I think is so cute. And it's okay if things look like messy right now. We're definitely gonna go back in and you know, clean everything up. And the brushes I'm using today is from Makeup Addiction. Thank you so much for sending me over that amazing little care package. Like, it's so nice. Okay, you guys, so the next color I'm gonna go into is red. And we're gonna apply the red right here. Now, I do notice that the shadows actually, they blend together very well. Like, they blend really, really good. No complaints there. I do think, however, I'm trying to see if I want to do like a cut crease. What y'all think? Y'all think I should do a cut crease? I never really do cut creases because I always mess them up. You know what? I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take this ColourPop concealer and I'm just gonna apply and since I got these little hooded eyes, you guys, we're gonna let this dry just a little bit. Try not to close your eyelid, rather. I didn't mean to look up. Okay. I swear, like, each one of my eyes are different. It's kind of why I hate doing cut creases. I better stop. Okay. I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed. Oh God, the eyeshadow just spilled every freaking where. Well, we lost white. I lost white. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the color pink. And I'm gonna like pack it over this part, over the concealer, whatever. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is becoming a hot mess. I should have did what I was gonna do at first. Look, now I'm gonna go into the color magenta and kind of apply it at the outer edge. Not sure why magenta is showing up like orangey, but whatever. Now I'm gonna take some glitter from I don't know, Urban Decay, and I don't know what color this is. I've had this forever, and I'm gonna do like a glitter cut crease, which is different for me because I never do this. So make sure I'm doing it right. So while this is drying, you wanna, yeah. So next we're gonna go back into the color white, a little bit I have, and I'm gonna put that in my, what is this? Okay, that doesn't look good. Okay, gold is showing up somewhat. Okay guys, so I just went and got some tape so I can like clean this fallout, because there's so much fallout. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do our wing liner. So I'm gonna go put on some lashes and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. I do think this is really cute. It's a bit much for me, but it's still cute nonetheless. Definitely getting like stripper vibes. So for my lips, I'm gonna go in with something kind of basic because there's just a lot going on with my eyes and hair and all of that. I'm gonna go in with Glossier clear lip gloss to set everything off because it's just so much going on, y'all. I don't need no lip color. If you guys are interested in my hair, a video will be coming on my hair really soon, so stay tuned for that. I don't know, like, this is a very festive look. I don't ever feel like I would wear something like this in normal life. This is like photo shoot stuff or like club or some type of festival, parade. You know what, I really don't know. I was kind of irritated that all of the colors like fell out. So I'm out of 3 colors. This palette was not cheap, and you do have to pay to ship it, okay? So I'm gonna need all of my colors to be intact. UPS, color case, whoever, I need y'all to make sure all of the colors stay intact. I will have to say I do like the colors. I think they're really pretty, very vivid, as you guys can see, but they do have a lot of fallout. Some of the colors do have like a little bit of a chalky feel to it, while others are more smooth. I do like the size of the eyeshadows you get for the value. That's amazing. And I do think this is amazing for people that like to wear a lot of color. However, if you're a person like me who likes more of neutral looks, I don't know, I might pass on the palette because I'm a very brown, tan, orange, burnt orange, reddish brown type of girl, and I would have to do a lot of mixing just to get colors to look like the type of looks that I typically wear. But if you're a person that loves like color, like, this is gonna be amazing for you because you won't need no other palette. Like, you can travel with this. Make sure you put it in your carry-on because it will be cracked because they're so soft. But y'all really need to make sure these eyeshadows don't crack, girl. I don't want no more cracked stuff, okay? It doesn't feel cheap. Everything feels actually really, really nice. I actually love Supa. I've been watching her for years on social media, and I'm really, really proud of her for putting this together. She's a huge inspiration of mine. I'm actually coming out with my own line of lashes as well. Just seeing her, you know, grind and how this has blown up is just so much inspiration for me. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.